Okay, so we're in Florida and I'm going with Meek to get a water, but as of right now there's a thunderstorm. I don't know if you can see that. Alright, hold up, it's foggy. There's Mika. There's the water in her hand. And if you see, there's an old woman over here trying to run in the rain. Do you need help? Hello. Do you need help there with anybody? There's Mommy.
What you doing?
I'm making a video.
We'll come to the front so you can really see the water.
Here's our roof.
I'm glad I came out when I did. I let them think I was there. You know how many coming in? But they got it on blow over.
Mommy, can you give me one of these cameras? Mommy, can you give me one of these cameras?
Huh?
Can you give me one of these cameras?
Can I get one?
One of these for me.
Can I get one of these?
For me. No, I haven't. Okay, now it's raining all over here. I wish I could zoom in. I said I wish I could zoom in. I wonder where all the lizards are.
What?
Lizards.
Oh, they were moving back, and so was the rabbit. When I came out the door, the rabbit was right at the door.
There's rain sparkles. And here we are watching the rain.
I knew that. Look the other way. Man, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Jesus visited him yesterday when we were at the park.
Okay.
Especially at Epcot.
I know. Because there was no way to get out.
It's still filming.
We'll have to cut that out.
Renee, you didn't want to go out in the rain? Huh?
I wouldn't get like it without.
I don't know. Run on all the way to the curb and come back. Go on, Renee. Run to the curb and come back.
Okay.
Goofball. That lightning scared you. Because you guys are goofy. They going out in the rain. There's you on the...
No, don't play.
Okay, how you turn this off?
Just push the button, make sure you take a picture.
Which button? At the top?